Hi guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make this really cute notebook. And hold some paper. Has some pages it turns, a folder. This tutorial can be found on my YouTube channel. And another folder at the back of it. Nice little binder. Alright. So, first thing you need to do is get yourself some cardstock, like this. Alright, and then you're going to need to cut it and bend it. Alright, first bend, we're going to make our template here, and we're going to bend it like that. Okay, make sure we have it nice and even. The next bend, we're going to use our little stick. Okay, that's going to give us our crease there. I'm going to bend that again and bend it there. Alright, now the next bend is going to be here. Just like that. Okay, so then you should have something that looks like this. Now you're going to bend it again. Right there is where you want it. So make sure you keep that in the same spot. And then you're going to bend your paper around that. Alright, take out your stick. Now this is just a coffee stick, by the way. Alright, so then there's that. Cut this a little bit longer than you need it. You want to take a piece of your paper or whatever you have. Alright, and you want to measure it up to here. Alright, now you want to take scissors and cut your edge. There. And there. All right. Now, you take something with a flat edge. Then you want to bend it back up. Now you can flatten out this edge here, because remember that's folded. Then you want to bend this back again, because you have to bend it here and here. Alright. Now, we're going to cut off this excess. Open it back up. That same piece of paper that you had, you want to lay in the center of this, right down the center there. You want to take a 1/16 hole punch and punch it. Alright, now you want to get yourself some jewelry wire. It needs to be jewelry wire because it's super, super thin wire. You need to get yourself 3 pieces. Try to have them as straight as you can so that when you bend them, they'll all bend together nicely. Okay, I've already bent one because I had it left over. Okay, so you want to bend them together. Since I've already done this one, I'm just going to set it on there. All right, now you want to go ahead and take your round nose pliers and bend it all the way around. Straighten them out a little bit if you can, and they should look like this. All right, now once you have that, you want to take your binder and you want to put it through the top, and for the second one you're going to bend it and poke it back through. Make sure you have your opening facing to the right. All right, now you want to straighten this one back out. And you want to cut off a piece of it. You may have to do it twice if you didn't take enough. I need to take a little bit more off of there. My wire cutters here are getting dull. All right, now the third one. You want to go ahead and put through here. Make sure you have it turned the way that we're supposed to have it going. And then bend the back. Take this little piece here, put it underneath of there. Just like that. I'm using some two-sided tape. You don't need to use two-sided tape, I just prefer it. That one bent. All right, so don't tear that off yet. Now you need to get yourself a glue stick, a regular old glue stick. You're going to put glue all the way down. now you're going to peel off that two-sided tape. All right, now you're going to bend this together. Press down on your wiring. And then just rub that glue underneath till it's flat. Okay. Now, if you don't want to go through the process of doing the wraparound underneath, you can just cut 3 of these and then tape them along the back, but you're going to have to bend them at the bend, okay? All right, so now we have to bend this again. Be careful not to bend your hooks though. All right, now once we have it bent, you can actually cut this leftover off if you want. Now if you want to, you can reverse this and have the longer piece on the outside and have it wrap around and become like a trapper keeper like this. It's completely up to you. I didn't make that one or this one like that, and maybe I'll make another one so you guys can see that too. All right, and if you have any edges that are kind of a little bit off center, just kind of trim them up. All right, if you think your stuff is going to come out, you can always take some glue and drop it down in there, like some crazy glue or something, once it's all dry. Just put a little tiny drop in there. And be careful because the glue likes to kind of just pour out sometimes. And you also don't want to use too much because it'll bleed through on your paper. Alright, and the glue will stick pretty quickly with the paper. Alright, so now you want to go ahead and stick your paper in here. Open up your little binder rings a little bit. And then if you want to do a folder, you can do a folder. If you want to do 2 folders, you can do 2 folders. You just have to punch the holes in them. So we'll just do one that has holes already in it. Alright, once you have your folders in there, then you need to bend them back over. Bend them around it. Like that. And there you have it. 2 folders makes it a little bit tight, I can tell you that. So if you want 2 folders, you might want to make your loops a little bit bigger. Alright, there you have it. There is your binder. Now if you want it to stay closed, you can get a little clip and clip it like this. Spritz a little bit of water on the back of there, just a little bit to wet it, and when it dries, it'll dry in that position. Just make sure you put it on the edge so it doesn't mess up your actual binder. Alright, so that's it. That's all you got to do. And if you want to cover it with fabric, you can do that too. That would be pretty simple and easy to do as well. Alright, well thanks for watching, and don't forget to follow Dollhouse Miniature Madness and tutorials for more DIY, and we will see you next time. Like and subscribe, leave a question, suggestion, or comment below, and if you want to see this binder covered with some fabric like this, check out the next video because I'll post it on there. Thanks a lot. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.